Hello, my name is Russ Merrick. I'd like to welcome you to the manufacturing facility of American Machine Company, located here in Alvin, Nebraska. Today what we have for you is a 1278. It's one of our newer machines. It goes along with our 928 interior high production door line machinery. Generally, you're going to have a loader, 928. We have a sizing table. It tells this machine exactly what's coming down line, so we can automatically size for it. 1278, you're actually going to take your jams, put them in place, put your header on. It's going to staple them up, whether it's left, right, and do all this automatic, run it right on through. You can also do up to 8-foot doors. Okay. What we have for you, I'll go through this real quick. We actually have a series of stops on both sides. That there's two little levers down here to break it. You actually pull these two assemblies back, put them against the stop, lock the levers in place. Now you're ready to do 8-foot doors. In this case, we're under a standard 6/8 door. We're going to ride on through. It's actually going to come through. Off the sizing package, we have an arm that indicates what it is, tells the machine, rolls on board across these white and gray rollers. Alright, comes in place, lowers itself down. You put the jams where they belong, and nail guns actually come up once it's all clamped, index up, and cycle and shoot through the jam into the head. Okay. On the back side of the machine, we have the option of actually shooting through the jam into the faceplate, or you can actually go ahead and install one of our triad lock straps. I'll go through that with you also. Okay guys, go ahead and start running. Actually run the machine. Quickly in place. See the auto side, it automatically moves on its own. Everything into place. I'll walk down again and move. You put the hand in. Put the jam on the other side. Locks it in place. Hits the button. Real simple. It comes in and clamps. Clips on the end. This engages from both sides. You stop on this end and actually push the bolt jams in the head right up against it. In this case, for the lock strap, you put it through the strike hole, basically the lock pull hole, through the strike hole, staple it on the back side of the jam. Real simple. You can use a handgun, you can use a pneumatic nail gun. It's all said and done. Lock strap's in place. Machine's all set. He's going to take it off. Again, what's going to be down line here is preferably another piece of roller conveyor. Coming out of the 1278, uses the buffer zone. It's going to go onto your assembly tables where you can do your packaging. Putting your labels on, your cores, and so forth. Grab these next door. You'll notice he actually takes the jam, and jam isn't rolled over like in most applications or previously in our equipment. Regardless if the screws are 5/8 or 3/4 sticking through, you don't have to worry about marring the door, which is actually quite nice. You have a series of stops with a pneumatic nail gun to indicate where do you want the staples placed. You have shaft collars on here, a sensor that actually reads it. So if you want to change the staples, one thing about the lock strap, you got a little tab right here. Hopefully we can show that. If you want to keep your reveal, that tab actually goes between the door and the jam, and it maintains your reveal. The advantage of the lock strap is actually for the end user, the contractors out in the field. You can install the door, put it in place, shim it. Once the door is in place, cut the strap, the parts fall out, and it's ready to go. You don't have to pull it out in advance. Or, oh, I forgot to pull the nail out. Now you have to pull the whole assembly back out, the entire door. No. All you have to do is cut it with a knife and it's done. Some of the other products out on the market, you still have to remove it. Your lock mechanism in advance is not a good deal. Once again, you can do right and left hand doors. You got two guns on the opposite sides to do that. You got main air. We're looking for 110 PSI on this machine. Emergency stop, door width in and out. You can run this in manual, semi-automatic, and automatic. Automatic mode. Each machine with Triad has a quick disconnect on it, transformer if required. That's standard for us. You don't have two. Costs you more money. But we actually came in, released it for a second, push the jams back up, make sure they're tight against the head. Everything stays nice and square when we put it in. Works out really well. Guy can take the door, put it on his assembly table, and away you go. Some of the other neat features, we have a scale system on the side here. If you're going to adjust things, you want a tighter quarter. Let's say your jams are taller. You want to do 6-inch jam, you want to do 7-inch jam, you want to get a little bit bigger. You've got black knobs, one at each of the 4 corners, okay? All you have to do is adjust it up and down, and there's a scale on the side to tell you how far you need to advance it down. Also, for instance, you have an old door, you can look for your 928. You have some other old machines, you don't have a sizing package, you can actually manually adjust this, and there's a big white reader scale on the main frame down here, and you can run the controls from the operator's side over there and run it in and out by hand. Okay? Run it on the rack and pinion system. There's an electric motor with a torque limiter underneath. We're actually coming in squeezing. Drive a nail in the jam into the door, takes the door out. Works really well. If you're doing bigger doors, say you do an 8-foot door, 2 pneumatic nail guns, if you're not going to be using the lock strap with the door flip that's available on the market, there's a series of stops over here and they're coming from you. You want to do a 6, 8, 7-foot, 8-foot door, this whole assembly just slides and moves down. You just pick the series of stops you want it to move to. Once again, the color code, quick, it's fast, it's real easy. Each one of the 4 corners, once again, you can change the nail pattern. If you want to put them together, you want to farther apart. Easy change, and that's in all 4 corners available. You've got an FLR, you've also got an SMC dump valve. So at any one time, somebody cut off the electricity, all the air will instantly dump from the machine for safety. Those of you that are watching, we're moving along here fairly quickly. Get out of the camera. Start the guns out. A lot of shops go into so many things running. Air is definitely a concern. Allows the gun plenty of time to recover. Nail and frame up. Each operation is simple, it's fast, it's quick, rolls off, rolls on. I'm going to go over here to the sizing table real quick. We actually have a bar on here. You reach the door itself. Underneath, you're going to keep all your components, whether it's your heads, for example, and this in here, some of your other fasteners and nails that you might use on a 928, for example. As soon as the door comes across this, it reads it, sends the information to the 1278, automatically decides if you have the automatic side mode. Once again, you can do it in manual, semi-automatic, or automatic mode. Works really well. This is also a good buffer station. When the 928 is working, this gentleman's waiting. 928, you're going to want to have 1550. You divide 18 screws in about 5 seconds, all within the cycle of the machine. Relatively quick and fast. It helps budgets. Not everybody wants to go that route if they don't have the capacity for 1550s. You can get yourself a powered screwdriver gun. Works really well. Automatic feed, assembly automation. There's actually 7 or 8 companies out there that manufacture those in order to speed up that process. Once again, hold jam in, hold go in. Okay, real quick, this is the 1278. It's one of our newer machines. Goes along with the 925 line, 928 line. The newer series equipment is all called the 928. It's faster. It has electronics on board. It has stack valves. This machine has stack valves, easy replacement, low maintenance. If you're interested in the high production line, think of Ruvo, think of the 928 line. Don't settle for any substitute. Only settle for the original. That is Ruvo. Once again, my name is Russ Merrick. If you have any questions, please call the factory at 1-800-568-7423. Thank you.